Sebring Regional Airport. Automated weather observation 2108 Zulu, weather, wind 260 at 8, visibility 10, clear below 12,000, temperature 27 Celsius, dew point 20, altimeter 3000, remark, density altitude 1,400.
Well, here we are. This is Sebastien Heintz in the CH-750 Cruzer, and we're on our way down to the Sebring Sport Aviation Expo, and I'm flying here with my daughter Lucy on the right side, and we've had a really nice trip down to Florida, and we'll be approaching into Sebring Airport shortly here. Today's Tuesday, the 23rd, so the day before the start of the show tomorrow morning. And I don't expect it to be too busy coming in, but it's always kind of interesting to see the arrival at Sebring, and we look forward to another good year in 2018 for the U.S. Sport Aviation Expo in Sebring, Florida. And behind me in the Stoll CH-750 SD, the Super Duty, is Roger and Steve from the factory. And look forward to, again, spending 4 days of building... You there, Seb?
Say again, Roger?
I said that's Lake Jackson to your right, to the front of you, right?
That is correct.
Yeah, right, I don't know if you can see out here, but we have Lake Jackson over here. And that's where Sebring, the city of Sebring, is basically around the lake. And the airport, I can just see one of the runways here. That'd be runway 3214, which we'll be landing on. We'll be landing on 32. So I'm just going to go south a little bit and then join the downwind leg for runway 32 here. Looks like it's about 11 miles out. You can see everything quite well here. I've got the Dynon HDX.
Why don't you pull over and get fuel, Dave, and I'll get this thing put away. If you want my credit card, I'll give it to you real quick.
Landing, no problem, I got it.
Okay.
And we're monitoring here 227, which is a common frequency for Sebring, but also a number of other airports in the area. We've had a good trip down here this year. It took us pretty much 2 full days because of some delays because of the weather.
For midfield, 3-2, low pass.
But still a nice trip, or nice weather overall. Had some strong headwinds yesterday, but we made up with some half-decent tailwinds today, so really can't complain overall. And like I mentioned, I have Roger and Steve behind me in the Stoll CH-750 Super Duty, and we'll have a much better look at it a little bit later. I forgot to hook up a camera on their airplane, so we won't be able to get the benefit of their approach into Sebring. And like I mentioned earlier, we're going to be holding 2 sessions of our rudder workshops right at the Sebring Expo, so we look forward to doing that. Look forward to taking up customers for demo flights and meeting with both existing and new customers. So we always enjoy coming down here. Of course, you know, this is end of January, middle of winter in Missouri, and a little bit warmer weather here in Florida. So we look forward to spending a short week here in the warmer weather. And again, I can see the Sebring Airport ahead on my left.
West, we'll be exiting landing runway 36.
Roger, I'm going to switch over to 227.
Roger that.
So here we are on 227, and zoom in here with on the sky view, give me a better idea, and then let us know where we are.
We'll be looking for you. We're about 2 or 3 miles out to the south.
And see the racetrack, the Sebring International Raceway, straight ahead.
I'll keep it high too, because we're going to try an simulated emergency landing here on 36.
And Sebring traffic, flight of 2 experimentals, 2 miles east inbound. We'll use the line of traffic for runway 32, Sebring.
Right straight ahead, the raceway.
And Sebring traffic, experimental flight of 2, joining the left downwind for runway 32, Sebring.
As you can see the cars on the raceway, it's pretty interesting. So there's that gyrocopter we landed. Oh yeah, they've got the race cars zipping around, pretty cool. Oh, slow it down.
And Sebring traffic, experimental number 1 is turning a left base for runway 32, Sebring.
Still pretty high.
And Sebring traffic, experimental number 1 is turning base to final, runway 32, Sebring.
And experimental number 2 is turning base for 32.
And Sebring traffic, experimental number 1 is short final, runway 32. I'll try to land long for you, Roger.
Flaps are all the way in.
Experimental number 2 is turning final 32.
And Sebring traffic, experimental 1 is crossing runway 119er, Sebring.
So, I think we'll get fuel. Roger wanted fuel. So here we are at Sebring. Welcome to Sebring, Florida, 2018.